I can hear the waterfall, guys. This is my outfit of the day. We're going to Mount Kenya, and now we've branched at Sun City for our breakfast. Then we can proceed. How do I look, guys? Did I kill it? Me and my girls were doing this. Yep. Yeah. So guys, we are at Sun City and we've just taken our breakfast. This is the first stop. Actually, we were supposed to stop at Moya. Moya ama wapi? Moya, but I don't know. Sun City ko Moya ama wapi? Sagana.
Kirinyaga.
Yeah. Kirinyaga.
Sagana, Kirinyaga.
Huku kwa Waiguru. So, but we stopped at Sun City. That's my friend. Doreen, say hi.
Hi.
And Simply Immaculate. Emma, I can't see you. Can you come into the car, please?
Here. Emma, say hi.
Hi. Guys, subscribe to her channel. That is my friend. I will tag her link so that you support us. So we've just taken our breakfast and we are about to leave. And here is our tour what?
Tour guide.
Tour guide.
Yeah.
He's behind the plan, but you're the one who was planned for us the tour.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. Can you just talk to my friends?
Hello guys, my name is Eugene and I'm happy to be with these ladies here. Karibuni sana.
Yeah, beautiful ladies. He's the one who was planned for us everything. Paka hivi tuna stop tukunywe chai. Hata tukifika huko amesema kuna mlo nyama choma.
Next stop is
So tunaenda na gari?
Oh.
So
Naenda kuchange.
Yeah, so we are going to change into our hiking
Outfit.
We are going to do tights, ndio?
Tights and sports bra.
And sports bra. Emma, have you been to a hike?
No. It's our first time.
Yeah, high school.
10 years ago.
But me, I've gone for a long distance walk. Yeah, I've walked for almost 21 kilometers. Like 42 kilometers to and fro.
Hiyo ya kutembea nimeshawahi, but ile ilikuwa mtoto.
Mi nikiwa Kiganjo.
Ile ya kuchanga. Ya kuchanga? Ya kuchanga do? Ile 42 kilometer walk.
Zile za hata nini hata no. Me I've walked while I was in college. Wewe ushaitembea?
Me, this is my first
time. So this is the first time you're going to try everything. But I hope itakuwa tamu.
Itakuwa fun.
Itakuwa fun, then at least we will lose weight.
Yeah. Mommy here.
Yeah. So we are here. We are about to start the hiking.
Exactly.
And
Emma go.
Wanatutengenezea vitu hapo.
Unataka kunini wapi? Hapo
unataka kufanya
forest.
Si kufanya introduction wakati unapata introduction.
Ebu do the introduction here.
Hi guys, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel, Simply Immaculate.
Guys, Simply Immaculate is so shy. They introduced since tutoke Nairobi. Emma, you're not serious.
And again courage bado.
Where you carried it again paka lini?
Emma go.
Oh. Then tutakuja kurest hapa.
Mmebeba nini zenu?
Nini?
Tarudi hapa. Mmebeba swimming water.
We are going to swim.
Yes.
Raincoat kama wanaanza maybe
Mvua itanyesha?
something. Inapanga unpredictable sana kwa.
Mvua itanyesha.
Hapana.
Itatuchua do tu.
So,
Guys, I'm being told that there's a swimming pool na nimesahau kubeba swimming costume. I can't believe it. Guy, I can't believe that I won't get into the water. No, I'll get into the water. Come and survive. Me, I'll swim with my... Guys, we've just started the trip. Huh? You know the ladies are really, eh? Hey, you're smart guys. Yeah, guys, I'm already tired. I'm already
You are not even halfway.
tired. We are 10 meters away from the start and I'm already tired. Simply Immaculate is already asking for water. She's already asking for water. Guys, me I can't make it. Hebu angalia penye watu wako. I'm done. Why did I run? Guys, I already have an injury. Can you see here? Guy.
Oh yeah.
Kuna plant imenigwaruza.
Ile ya kujinio. Unajitanga.
Imenishika tu kwa. Kasi. The ladies are hemming ways.
Bila chomeka.
Hii kitu si tamu. Guys, can you see the peak?
We do tours all over.
Oh, do you? Okay.
Yeah, I do tours. We've got this group also.
Okay.
We are mostly Kenyans.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're just going for a little bit of 6 kilometers.
Yeah.
Then we come back.
Are you going to the waterfall?
Yeah.
Are you going up to the
Yeah, we're
There's
going
a
to the
beautiful
waterfall.
waterfall up there, but it's a long way.
Okay.
But it is
So
beautiful.
what's your tour company?
Calvin tours.
Calvin Tours.
Guys, I've resorted to putting on my jumper because where we are now is like a cave and the things that are biting us, I think that's just a fly or something. Where we? And now we are like sasa ndio tunaanza hike yenyewe. Hiyo ya kwanza haikuwa hiking. Kanisa where Simply Immaculate is. Karura Forest. I've never been there. This is my first hiking and I'm really loving it, by the way. I'll do more of it. Because you know, I'm sweating already. Yeah. But you are not sweating.
When you're I am. Okay, I sweat on my nose.
I'm also sweating on my cheeks. But I'm still okay. Popcorn. Me, I thought we should do bananas. Banana itaongeza mtu energy. Glucose. Sweet drink, like Fanta. So why do you sugar?
But me, I like juice.
Juice.
I carry, yeah.
I'd prefer. I want to lose weight, so I don't like sugary things. That's why I'm doing water pure.
You do this every now and then. You take sugar, and at the same time you.
Yeah, so you know, I'll be doing nothing.
You're doing no work. You're even eating all those burgers and what.
I want to make sure that I do this once a month, then I can graduate to twice a month. Then I can graduate to like every weekend.
But when you fall in love with it,
It's even better than going to the gym.
huh?
Huh?
Because you feel, because here, you're not only energizing, you're not only exercising, you're also in sync with nature.
Yeah, by the way.
Mental, relaxation.
Yeah.
You're not looking at cars. You're not thinking about people, human beings.
It's you and the vegetation.
You, vegetation and animals.
Yeah. I want to give myself some examination. This is the first one. When is today? 27th. Next 27th I'll be here. Hopefully.
Or you use another side.
Or I go to Ngong Hills. Yeah. To break the monotony.
Or you can go to, but over there you need to go for the corner.
About there?
You can access Mount Kenya, using another side, Miki side, or Kogoria side.
Yeah.
Whichever side.
I'll try my best. I really want to do this. It will help me because I tried going to the gym. It didn't work. I paid the whole month and only went for 1 week.
And then when you go, I feel like they do too much.
Yeah. Then weightlifting, nini. Me, I couldn't even lift the 5 kgs dumbbells. Nilikuwa nimechoka. Then in the morning, hiyo monotony ya kila siku, I just know at 5 I need to wake up and go to the gym. It's not my thing.
No, this one I think it's fun. It's outdoor.
Yeah, it's outdoor nature. The sound of the running river.
Yeah.
The birds. Lakini sasa fly. Oops. Zimenikula.
But, where are they? Oh, they're there. My sister, I think you need. I've not seen that.
Is it really clean? I think you need a purifier before you can use it. I'm not standing there. Which river is this?
No.
Guys, we are at 4.5 kilometers and we are having a break. What a break. Emma, wapi nini? Glucose. Hey, Doreen nigawie glucose. Guys, hata yangu ni moto. Oh, yours is hot. Kwani ulichemsha maji?
Baki moja.
Sasa flies inatukula. Doreen, hebu fungua hiyo nini? Mimi kama sisi fly singe feel kitu. Bamboo forest. I can hear the waterfall, guys. Hey, I've made it. Mama, I've made it. Finally. Oh, ni mteremko. Iko itaonyesha. Hey. Finally. Tunapita hapo ndani ama? We are coming back.
Yes.
Kai. Why?
Kama Ndoro, tuko tunapitia kuna kina Boni.
Kama
Na Kai.
Hey.
Yep.
This is Kenya, guys. We are in Kenya.
Awesome view.
It's here! Hey! Well, finally, waterfall! Hey! Woo! Hey! So you sit here. Can you swim? Hey, waterfall. There are groups here. People are coming in groups. Apa inaitwaje? Castle Forest. And the waterfall? Amkufanya geography. Guys, nimefika mwisho. This is where I was to end my journey. Okay? guys, we are done with our activity of today. We are going back to it. Like for the first time, nimefanya kitu nikafika mpaka mwisho. I didn't know, how was it?
It was so nice.
The water?
Oh,
Actually,
so
my hands
nice.
zime
Cold.
freeze. Ama niseme frozen.
It's so cold.
Hey baby, it's so cold. Sana.
So cold, it's freezing. Luckily, I carried hot water.
Me, I don't want hot water. Niko tu na hii yangu baridi. Hii, it's not baridi per se, but enyewe. Hata mimi itabidi nimeanza kutembea wanipate mbele yawa.
So climbing back is so hard, right?
Actually, what?
Okay, climbing back is not hard.
Yeah,
like
climbing back is not hard than kukuja. Plus kukuja unakuja mali juu unaenda wapi?
Yeah, now we know. Yeah.
But nice, hii najua nikishafika hapa, najua the next turn nitafika hapa and that's
Yeah.
Yep. So guys, we are done. We are going back.
We are done. Sun is out. Afande, tukifika hapo juu tupumzike kidogo. Ndio sasa tuanze safari mzuri.
Afande tu rest kidogo.
Hiyo ina shida, ni ulima.
Hiyo mlima moja ndio hawa.
Na unasikia vile unahema? Nataka ufanyange mingi. Nikwanga hivyo kama sijahema hata kadoti. Like that. Niko nasikia kukufa. Hivyo unasema.
Nakaboy.
Alikuwa Mount Kenya 5 days.
Ako hapo kwa yote tunakuja memory.
Scout mwenyewe. Ako fit.
5 days Mount Kenya.
It's now glucose break, eh? Oh, this is nice actually.
Easy.
It is not. Itakuwa kwa YouTube. Hebu sema tena.
Guys, I'm so tired. Even my breathing rate has changed. Guys, I'm so tired. We're going back. My feet zimekuwa like sijui. Guys, it has started to rain na ndio tumetoka like hata tujamaliza like 50 meters. Now we are going for 6 kilometers. Tutanyeshewa na sikubeba raincoat. We mwenye alinileta huku hakuna. Mpaka utembee ndio unini release muscles. Uende na mteremko.
Tuache pale chini.
It's drizzling. It's drizzling, guys. Nani amebeba raincoat yake?
Naweza kuama.
Mlibeba raincoat? Sorry. Sorry, baby girl.
Umetwist. Hapa. Hebu toa hii juu. Ouch. Hapa. Wapi gwalo? Imevunjika.
Ati imevunjika. Tumepata accident. Tumepata accident.
Hebu amka. Ngatonyalo tunyero.
Mia crips. Ati imevunjika.
Tiluar matek. Paka ngoika kwa ragged.
Guys, we have had an accident. No mwana kichwa. Olwar kogunia. Okay, pole, sorry. Tunanyeshewa sasa. It's now serious. It's really serious, jamani Mungu. Ooh. It's a serious rain, by the way. Unaona? Tunanyeshewa. 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 Na tunapata accident kwa barabara. Well, this is serious. So guys, the journey back has not been the sweetest, nor has it been the worst. Compared to us going to the waterfall, I think I can give the journey back a 7/10. But going to the waterfall, it's a 2/10. Because while going, you don't know where you are going. You are just like, unatembea tu ukifuata mtu. So you are not even sure whether umefika ama hujafika. But now when coming back, you know, if each and every step you make, ukiona mali ulipita, you're like, I'm so sure mali niko, the distance imebaki ni hii na hii. Kuteremka si ngumu kuliko kupanda. And then the 2/10, the 2 yenye imebaki ndio maana like I gave it a 7/10. So the 3 yenye imebaki ni juu tunanyeshewa. Guys, I just forgot to carry my, that's so bad. I'm even ashamed to say that. And I had just packed it so well because I had that jacket yenye you can pack, then it can look like a bag. So I just packed it so well, then I forgot it on my bed. I think it's in my bed, on my bed actually. I packed it yesterday. So the 3/10 nimepea mvua. We are wet, like literally wet, but the jacket I'm wearing, it has another layer in, so the water haijaingia sana. Iko tu hapa nje, but mimi sijanyeshewa hata kidogo, and I'm sweating as much as nanyeshewa. Can you see? Na sweat. Well, but I know in the next 30 minutes I'll be at my starting point. Where bullpecs are dogo. It's never easy while going back or going down the hill. Okay, I'm not alone. I think we were 9 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm number 6. There are 3 people behind me, and you can see hata waonekani, like nimewacha by far. Si 4 per se, but kuna mtu hapo nyuma ni venye tunapita kama spiral, and then mimi wenye nafuata ndio wako hapa tu, wameniachia kwa mlima. Kuna mlima hapo ingine juu, ndio sasa I didn't want to jitembeza haraka kwa mlima because I'm done. Can't wait to go and eat. Kila mtu hapa anaenda tu akifikiria food. It's not easy, but it's fun. Yeah, and for you to have such kind of a fun, please go and contact Calvin Tours and Safaris Limited. Contact them. They will give you good packages for such like trips, and they even they do bookings for your air tickets. They book for you hotels. Yeah, they have a variety of services. So visit them at Kogo Plaza, near T-Mall. I think near T-Mall, behind Wilson Airport. Yeah, if you are in Nairobi. But I will leave their contact in the link. You can always contact them wherever you are. They offer services in the whole world. There is another branch in Kisumu. So wale wako Kisumu, you want to go to Kitmikai, kindly contact Calvin's Tours and Safaris Limited. Woo, for your trip. By the way, it's so nice. They have a nice tour guide. And we have one of the office guys here who is looking after us. He's been giving us water and what do you call it? Glucose. Ndio tukue na energy. Yeah, so the services are nice, by the way. Give it a try, guys. Go and give it a try. Upate experience. There is Simply Immaculate is somewhere there. Yeah. So, wacha tukutane mahali kwa starting point. I think in the next 30 minutes I'll be there. I'm so tired. I'm feeling it at my waist. My whole body is good, but my waist and my feet, those, lazima watanipigia nduru leo. Guys, finally, I'm here. Hii magari ndio zile pale. Gari yetu haiko pale. By the way, this is the route tulifuata. Sio ile wamefuata.
No, si ile tulifuata.
Gari yetu si ndio imefunguliwa mlango. So guys, we are done. At least there is light at the end of the tunnel. Kwanza I didn't know kama Dorina angemanage. Dorina umanage aje? Umejua the moment ulianguka chini nikasema bas. We want. Alafu mvua ikaanza kunyesha, sikuwa na kuona. Nikasema wewe ndio utatukipa hapa. But congratulations, by the way. Na hujavaa socks. Unaumia juu hujavaa socks. Guys, we are back to the starting point. And okay, as much as kama ni bado, we are out of the forest.
No buffaloes.
Yeah, no buffalo cares. But miss hakuna kama apart from sisi fly. Ni sisi fly ama ni nini? Ni sisi fly.
Sisi fly tunaumwa.
Kama si sisi fly, sijaona mnyama yote.
And they don't want black clothes.
But I've enjoyed. Yeah, the sisi fly wataki kuona kitu black. When you have something black, I don't know. That is what we've been told. At is in because that prison warder alikuwa na jungle. Na hakuna sisi fly hata moja ilikuwa kwake. But sisi tumevama black whatever. Sisi fly zimetukula kutukula. But we thank God this is where we started. As much as gari yetu haijakuja hapa. Yes.
We will not repeat. So we will do the 3 kilometers now. Do you know that? At Chukuliwi. This is where we were dropped. Then we started our hike.
Because we came late. Now I think we should go. So wamesema kuna gari we walk.
Yeah, we walk now. We'll cover around.
But at least we are out.
Before main gate.
The main gate.
Tunapita aje?
Tunaenda tu hivi.
Wako?
Ndio wale. Ndio photographer.
Ngoja sasa.
Yule si nani? Yule si Calvin. Huyu alipata accident. Guys,
Pata motorbike.
we had an accident. And this beautiful girl, can you just look here? This beautiful girl was so weak, lazy. That's laziness. Akaanguka chini. Akaanguka chini. Can you just see? Sorry, by the way. Sorry. Imeshika nyama. Utapunguza na spirit.
It was fun.
Hey guys, gari nakuja kutuchukua huku because I hear it's a 3 kilometers walk from this place to the gate. So the car is coming for us. Otherwise, it was nice trip. My girls did well. Yeah, it was the first time, but they did much better. Me too. Thank you. Okay, congratulations, Ida. Yay. I'm done. But we are wet. Not wet per se, but tunaonyesha huko ndani ya mlima. Na huku ndani si baridi. Ni dry.
We'll not cover the 3 kilometers.
kuna horses.
We're waiting for food.
Unaona horses? Nilikuwa pale juu.
Kunazo pale.
Mimi am tired. Sitaki kuona kitu kingine. Hema, unaenda kuona horses?
Niko na terrain 3 tena. 3 hapa. Acha tukujie.
Mshaongea na Calvin?
Tumemwambia lete gari.
Akuje na hizo vitu tusikie hapa juu tukule.
Nimeanguka. Ona.
Ala? Ulianguka wapi?
Doreen, what can you say about the hike?
It was fun. We really enjoyed.
And sorry for falling by the way.
It's okay. It's part of the fun.
Ati mtu amekufa. Emma, you are so silly. Emma, what can you say about the trip? The hike. Trip ijaisha juu bado tujukula. Guy. Emma, I'm waiting for your reviews.
The hike was so nice. As you can see, we made it.
Waiting to the top.
But we've not covered the 3 kilometers from here to the main gate.
But we were not to cover that.
But we are tired.
We
were to cover that. Even ilikuwa ina cover the 30 minutes. So we've hiked for like 1 hour 30 minutes. Then the 30 minutes is from here to the main gate. So 2 hours.
Me, I'm done. Wacha nini na mimi. Okay, me on my side, I've really enjoyed everything. This was my first hike na ijakuwa mbaya. And the services that Calvin's Tours has offered, by the way, kutupea food and what have you, it's top notch. Me, I'm okay, by the way. Nimeenjoy. Yeah, thank you so much. And we are looking forward to more of this. Thank you.
Mimi, kama ile maji ninaweza chemsha kidogo.
Uchemshie maji.
Maji chemshwe kidogo. Itakuwa sawa. But no, it's been amazing journey. Imekuwa poa. Karibu nimeambia soja mnizike tu huko. Ninyi mrudi. Tukutane heaven. But nime make it. It was nice. I really enjoyed. Yeah.
Tumeenjoy. Ndio nilikuwa the last actually.
Hata alianguka.
The one behind.
Na soja alikuwa tu na yeye hapo na hapo.
Soja hakuniacha.
Ameanguka akapiga sama sote.
But ilikuwa fun, ilikuwa my first time.
We are looking forward.
Karibu nilie actually.
Guys, the day's trip is over. You can see people are dispersing. We are going to Nairobi. I don't know how many like sijui, but I know we are going to Nairobi. It's around 11. No, it's around 5. Yeah, it's around 5 in the evening. We've really enjoyed. And please, guys, contact Calvin Tours and Safaris Limited for your trips. As I told you earlier, wanawabukia trips like air tickets. They can book hotels for you from different towns. wanaorganizia trips. Mama kama si tumekula mpaka sijawahi jua trip watu wanaenda na wakule ugali tena moto. Otherwise guys, thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe and leave a comment. Like, tell me what do you think about the video? Did we really do it? Did we do the hike as it is required? Ama tulichoma? Otherwise, bye and thank you for watching. Bye.